an ancient city, a fortress, and a waterfall. We are in Tbilisi, and this is Zhuangfeng. Welcome back to Zhuangfeng. This is a brand new series in Georgia. Yes, you heard right, it's Georgia. It's not the Georgia in the United States, it's Georgia the country. I'm gonna explore the country starting from the capital, Tbilisi. Located on the western fringes of Asia and bordering on Europe, Georgia boasts of a rich culture that draws from both the east and the west. It's a mountainous country almost entirely in the South Caucasus, with some peaks over 5,000 meters. A perfect place for Zhuangfeng explores, as we set out to bring you 4 great Georgian adventures. I start in the capital city, Tbilisi, lying on the banks of Kura River and with a population of nearly 1.5 million. There's plenty to see in a city walk through the ancient streets. Don't count on an easy hike though, and there are plenty of hills to climb in the city. Alright, that was a quick stroll in the city center. Very interesting, old kind of ancient town. But I noticed there's a very nice ridge right at the edge of the city, the old town center, you can see here. I would like to go for that walk, and I noticed there are some statues, different castle, fortress. I'm very interested in that, and let's go for that walk. But before, I want to ask you a question. Do you know if Georgia is an Asian country or European country? It's in Asia, in case you are unsure. Georgia has the Black Sea to the west, Russia to the north and the east, Turkey and Armenia to the south, and Azerbaijan to the southeast. Although it only has a population of 4 million people, it covers almost 70,000 square kilometers, most of which is in the mountains. For now, I need to get up to the ridge top. Well, that was a very steep hike up to the Narikala Fortress. It's kind of a ruin, but the view up there is amazing. There's also a church in the middle with really stunning architecture indoor. I cannot film there, it's forbidden. But if you come over here to Tbilisi, this is a must go for you to overlook all the nice views. Truly amazing. That was definitely the highlight of the walk so far. After taking a loop around the Narikala Fortress, I arrived at the Tbilisi Botanical Garden, which I paid less than $2 for entry. It was noontime and not too many tourists were around, until I reached the Botanical Garden waterfall, a perfect place to cool down. Leaving the waterfall, I headed back to the ridge. One of the exits is located rather conveniently just near the Mother of Georgia statue that overlooks the city. Woohoo! Well, I was thinking about to hike down. It's about 2 kilos to go down, but around the water during the noontime it's about 35 degrees, if not 37, 8. It's super hot, so I don't want to risk it. Just take it easy, get lazy a bit along the cable car. But look at the view, it's really nice. Alright, if you like the show, please follow our page wherever you're watching it, like and subscribe. I'm Jack, and this is the first episode of my Georgia exploration, and a few more is coming. Bye bye!